Yeah, Magenta's is sneezing a lot, so we have to find a way to make it feel better by playing Blue's Clues to figure it out. Oh, thanks. You know, I think I'm really going to need your help today figuring out um, what Blue thinks Magenta needs to feel better. Will you help me? You will? Great. That we wanna do. Okay, ready? We need to help Magenta feel better. Hmm? Did, did I just hear Blue? Well, which way does she go? This way. Great. Thanks. Come on.